Don't just study English, live it. Speak English with iCell.
Stop scrolling, because if you still feel stuck when speaking English, this is exactly for you. You understand English, you study a lot, but when it's time to speak, you freeze, you hesitate, and you lose confidence. But today, I promise you something different. In the next few minutes, you will learn a simple daily system that can actually make you speak English more naturally, without stress, without overthinking, and without complicated rules. This is your solution, and it's called the 777 Rapid Fluency Method. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to the channel and join me, because here we don't just study English, we live it. Now, relax and focus with me, because this method is simple. It is not difficult. It is not only for advanced learners. Even if you are a beginner, you can start today. Let's begin with the first 7. The first 7 means you will speak English for 7 minutes every day. Yes, only 7 minutes. Not 1 hour, not 2 hours, just 7 minutes. But listen carefully. These 7 minutes must be active speaking, not thinking, not reading silently. You must actually speak. You can speak about your day, your thoughts, or simple actions. For example, I woke up in the morning. I had breakfast. I am learning English. I want to improve my speaking skills. Now, repeat in your mind. I am learning English. I want to improve my speaking skills. Very good. The goal here is not perfection. The goal is flow. Keep speaking even if you make mistakes. Do not stop, do not overthink, just continue. Now, let's move to the second 7. The second 7 means you will learn 7 new English words every day. But here's the mistake most learners make. They memorize words and forget them. That is not real learning. Real learning means using the words. Take simple words like improve, learn, speak, practice, focus, try, repeat. Now use them. I want to improve my English. I learn new things every day. I speak English slowly but clearly. I practice speaking every day. I focus on my goals. I try again when I make mistakes. I repeat sentences to remember them. Now repeat slowly in your mind. I want to improve my English. I practice speaking every day. I try again when I make mistakes. Excellent. When you use words in sentences, your brain remembers them naturally. They become part of your thinking. Now the third 7. This means you repeat 7 important sentences every day. Repetition is the secret of fluency. Not once, not twice, many times. Repeat sentences like, I am improving every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. I speak English with confidence. I learn from my errors. I enjoy practicing English. I am getting better step by step. I will not give up. Now say in your mind, I am improving every day. I speak English with confidence. Very good. These sentences are not just words, they are mental programming. When you repeat them daily, your brain starts believing them. And when your brain believes, your speaking becomes easier. Now let's combine everything into a daily routine. In the morning, speak for 7 minutes about your life. During the day, learn 7 words and use them immediately. At night, repeat 7 powerful sentences. Imagine doing this every day, not for one day, but for weeks. Slowly, something changes. You start thinking in English. You stop translating. You feel more confident. Now listen carefully. Fluency is not about knowing everything. Fluency is about using what you already know. Even simple English is powerful. For example, I am learning English every day and improving slowly. That is enough. That is communication. Now repeat after me. I speak English every day. I learn new words daily. I repeat sentences to improve. I am becoming more confident. I am improving step by step. Say it again. I speak English every day. I am improving step by step. Excellent. English is not something you study once. It is something you build daily. The 777 method is not magic. It is consistency, small effort every day. Now let's go deeper into real life, because improvement happens when you participate, not when you just listen. In the morning, don't start your day in your native language. Start in English. Say, I am waking up. Today is a new day. I will practice English. I will try my best. Now repeat, I will use today to learn English. Good. During the day, don't wait for a perfect moment. Use English inside your life. If your word is focus, say, I need to focus. If your word is try, say, I will try again. If your word is improve, say, I want to improve my English. Repeat, I want to improve my English. Excellent. Now, understand this. Many learners stop speaking because they think too much. They think, is this correct? What if I make a mistake? And then they stop. Change this rule. Speak first, think later. If you say, I go market, continue and fix it. I went to the market. This is real learning. Now imagine someone asks you, what did you do today? You say, today I woke up early. I had breakfast. I studied English. I practiced speaking. I am trying to improve every day. Repeat, I am trying to improve every day. Very good. Now go deeper into the third 7. Repetition is emotional training. When you say, I am not afraid, I am improving, I can express myself clearly, you are building confidence. Repeat, I can express myself clearly. Excellent. Now imagine yourself speaking English without fear, no hesitation, no translation, just flow. That version of you is built today. Now say, I am becoming more confident and comfortable with English. Good. Be honest, you will not become fluent in one day, but daily practice creates change. Your fear decreases. Your confidence grows. Your thinking becomes faster. One day, you realize you are thinking in English. That is the real goal. Now repeat, I speak English every day. I practice without fear. I improve step by step. I am becoming fluent naturally. Say it again. I improve step by step. I am becoming fluent naturally. Excellent. Fluency is built in small habits, not big lessons. The 777 method is your daily system. Now, let's make it even more real. Imagine your day. You wake up and say, today I will speak more English. I will not be afraid of mistakes. Repeat, I will not be afraid of mistakes. Good. During the day, think in English. This is a chair. This is my book. I need to focus. Repeat, I need to focus. Excellent. Now improve your speaking flow. Don't stop at one sentence. Connect ideas. Instead of, I go to school, say, I go to school and I study there. I try to understand my lessons and practice English. Repeat, I try to understand my lessons. Very good. Now answer, why are you learning English? Say, I am learning English to improve my communication. I want to speak confidently and understand others. Repeat, I want to speak more confidently. Excellent. This is the transformation. Short sentences to connected sentences to thinking to natural speaking. Mistakes are normal. Do not stop. Continue. Now repeat, I am going to the market. Good. Daily routine again. I wake up and speak English. I learn words. I use them. I think in English. I repeat sentences at night. Repeat, I try to think in English. Excellent. Fluency is not speed. Fluency is thinking without fear. Now repeat, I am improving my English every day. I can speak without fear. I learn from my mistakes. I am building fluency step by step. Say again, I can speak without fear. I am building fluency step by step. Perfect. Imagine your future self speaking naturally, confidently, smoothly. That version is created by daily habits. 7 minutes, 7 words, 7 sentences. Small actions, big results. Now, final mindset. Every word you speak is progress. Every sentence is improvement. Every mistake is learning. Repeat, I am building my English every day. I am getting better step by step. I will keep going. Say it again. I am getting better step by step. I will keep going. Very good. Keep using the 7-7-7 method every day, and soon English will stop being something you study and start becoming the way you think.